Yeah, I stand a chance of winning best vocalist because when I compare my type of singing, na meshe ona waji best vocal out of the year there. Makade I stand a chance. In fact,
proper patch the Kidi numi na wanze
Kidi manzi adasin Kidi. Manzi adasin our friend then.
Can promise.
Can promise mpoze no menyina ashe baby. Mercas Eugene.
Manzi adache Kuami Eugene.
Far.
Hey.
Jame how? She obia de cow. Obia de cow. She obia de cow. Jame how?
Yeah, man, but this is Tight Corner as usual. When the name is DJ or Rich. Now still. Yawa Central, yawa Mankesim, yawa Omani ina Kesim, Ghana ina. This is the biggest tower. Our habit. It's quite obvious there. There were lots of talent. Waha. I think people are not looking at this direction. Today with me here, and you're one of the great guys. I mean, he's been around for some time, but this is the time. This is the right time for him to pop up into. His name is Karkidy, and then today, no man, more about his music career, how long he's been doing music, the challenges, what he seeks to attain from music here. Was starting. Merdan mohoka krebi maba ye busy in komo or ye wo fara events. What grounds for man kisim na ye pede or ye wedding. A pede engagement, a pede anything you want to do on your grounds papi pa or mankesima. BBRE events, outdoor events, be our nice place environment about to my event or in Siadang, I will say about Karkidy or Baba Momo freestyle. Now I can some papas are showing. What's opera the Ghana music day and Obakeni as are showing. Paco Rich in America. Okay, like I said earlier on in our introduction, one great talent was our friend Karkidy. Karkidy Otanan.
Yeah, boss.
Last week, I think I was going somewhere Saturday na Merite. I mean, my kid sister no producer, no friend may be.
Okay.
Yeah, so most of the times, me say happy Dr. Kanpa.
Okay.
So I heard him talking about you. I mean. Okasa bebre but na meant say nyomo kren but obo nyomo na me so okay intina Dr. Kan wa kro bebre so when I heard it na me say na ho akra na ofimi krom no wa storm nkan e memansa na nkan nti obeya inda me befi aye ntwetwe nkomo kakra bibi aboko
ba
na nyomo tin how is music treating
you good so we are overcoming it gradually.
Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe so Karkidy, what's the main motive? But I put this when you're the area and you're not embassy after some day. Area that you wouldn't can and area no more than fans. What's the reason? Inspirational or what inspires you to do music?
Yeah, first of all, inspirational ota menyum to echere there. Me pede me do enyim ho na me boa the young ones are urban. That is one. Because Infantaman Central Region, Ekumfi, your talent be brave, but to them, it's a kind of. You knew Bia, Obuso in same Ako Soro. Today, Sister Mercy, other big people.
We used to have one big brother, Oka Baby, last year. DJ Advisor.
Yeah.
Into Safa.
Sure. Nti ya started music na char. But nyame mo be bia ye. Nti today can back to your question no. Enyamba sam na me peda me music ye.
Yeah, sure.
No. Na nya fun.
Because musicians fa enyim one e binom enyo din commercial chere hu na anyom na nka so ye ne. Mo be ye obenya guest be 3 bi wom tinore yo.
Menye enyum
na basam na ye wazi dada.
Na
na ye what
nyada me ye maze dada
inye bida
oh ma ye bida obenyin bia anyu ho obakade
okay it's simple and short the nye gay
na me nye gay I'm not a gay yeah. No me mpemba
na mpemba ye pemba
no me mpemba as in me ambassador okay, like so today so we no oh Valentina
it's how
mayor that's right
it's how bia Karkidy you what bibi bia one for Valentina the kere we expect you anyway that's just by the way but brother
yes
to Infantima Hanankasan why something which is the assets. It's been a very long time. A young who be there, what pop up if you have or you make waves.
Sure.
How do you if you there a better than to my because I don't know be a so what will make you then over to my achieve? I don't know or show more shadow now marry and able to my
that is one. I have that determination. Yeah. I can do it. It's not about ear record, Infantimana and our central region ear records. But from where I started, when it comes to artists and music, maybe I may feel up to date. With that determination, I'll break out.
So far, constituency Infantimana Ekunfina Infantimana Infana way
sure.
Watch him. So far, do you think the Ibinomere be a feeding cat? At least my warrior and canine and corridor qua.
Yeah, Bebrina today, shout out to One Heart. One Heart, Ononsu of Yekunfi, he's doing fantastic. Kofi Geisen is doing fantastic. Kakeku is doing fantastic. It's not them alone. A lot of energy or Infantimane Kunfia. They are doing fantastic, but at the end of the day,
back in the painful way, what's me as in a one fight Sikambwa young guys now way and Romanana.
Not really. Man can 1 year in painful now Woskawa Central Region Fantimanon. They are not much into music.
But on yet 1 hour you and way much into music. It's about investing. And why say where business people are, they will definitely know the okay. As I uncle 4 year and the P Square, one who mansions in Adamadi, or ye scar into ye yes cash a woman or boko. But I hadn't miss Sabisa, mammy said with them and today. Will be always capa or yes side the hat. Or discourage in Yumuma. So that is why I'm asking this question. So feel free.
This is the reason why Brenton Maitre when I was started the whole was started the one your talent in the Kakra Bogoya Kashakra because Penina was Kawahano. He doesn't believe in music or invest in this car. The business aspect of it. On Shada and Jintum.
What's the reason I won't believe in music?
Central Hano. They believe in other businesses like Metoka, Medimiska, Rea Kakujuma, those Nyaman
Kakono one for such will be autonomous. That is what they think.
That is what they think.
Medimiska Bashan Mupad and come
the car business. Yeah, Medboton Kaku, Medbaya car business, Moto Assassin. It will be Martin there.
And Uncle Bottom man Chimpa
good. Martin there. They are expecting the returns faster. So but discover him you might not know that by na human bosswa ba. Even though no, this guy has a talent or them pushy, but he's also thinking about that by talent way by a riba so sabia many Americans that is what they think. But oboto car every year be 2021 oboto 2020 oboto onyim there within a year oboto no car.
And feed the musicians been also ungrateful actually. Abuan hana mo we do baby. Now when they were make waves kakran. And obi kaguna some say the in your sisi kobo show why there wuskani na ono bejina wa mo mepe. Feed the yat the stories in Bebrobi or for be war I'll be any mono now discussion more do baby or there. I say maybe
and say on the music or a business.
Yeah.
Into business na area. Or there inyim there invest in all there it to be a home nkrata. Them robaya at the end of the day nyimpan blow out when there ebia them terms we in a yako. I don't care today. Anytime you read you but them music kind or yeah what ideology like
okay.
Or feel there no what they will scabber shame or bachelor nyim for so baba at the end
honestly obi discourage show my I hear a feel there was a show my obey enough to get you to the top.
Yeah, at least the be 5 billion about able to me age man could
5 billion.
yeah. Uncan is 5 billion.
So that is 500,000.
500,000.
So you think 500,000 Ghana cedis can
We'll
make
take
you a global artist?
Sure.
You have plans. You have find a proposal, may investor.
Yeah.
And then maybe so okay. As a memo 500,000 and 5 billion about to the blue.
Yeah.
A baz. Or how many release? And you I hear about to me release in them 5 billion in videos I hear about way to mama a blue.
Okay, first of all we talk of EP. You be release it by 2 EPs.
Well 500 billion.
Yeah, 500 billion. And then the videos and also today EP in ABA by 7 tracks now that.
Okay. 7 tracks in LA EP should be around 5 songs.
Oh, Memphis 7 tracks. Okay. No, though. Out of the 7 tracks, and maybe I hate a video 4.
Remember, what's your budget? It's about a video one.
Budget maybe a video no.
Just a video.
Just a video. I will go like maybe a 5,000.
5,000. 5,000. Sure, they bring a video per picture.
And at my standard, no. At my standard, no. I believe in making it huge globally. Of course, 4,500.
4,500.
Young Guru.
4,500. So, Young Guru, what's the music power?
Depending on video as well, right, the outcome.
And then were you satisfied with the outcome?
Oh yeah. Anyway, as a young guy, I was started there, or you win a Jumo here, no there. Yeah.
But to me, I think from what you are saying in budgets, and I reckon it's nothing to do. 500,000 Ghana cedis, and you might as well find Payola. Yeah. And see, remember TV stations 10 now you check Payola for music videos. Even for I am for young Payola film, a ritual officially that one bomb one.
Okay.
The list at TV station for site was 5,000 Ghana cedis. 5,000. Yes.
For how many?
A month. Okay. So, and remember when I promoting say 3 months or 150 million. So
that's the reason why. And the yen area today be a baby a your age. But say you can globally. Globally today we are American. Yeah. So yes, we started from. You start from somewhere to somewhere. You grow as we are growing.
5 billion blow
from Mfantiman to Accra. Then from there, global.
You do Accra no be from Accra to
blowing from.
Honestly, what I'll tell you is that you don't know the amount of money you need.
Okay.
Because that kind of work, 5 billion a year chicken change.
Okay.
You can actually shoot one video or cost be 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And with the promotion and all
for
that.
For the video alone?
Yes.
Okay.
The sound engineers you see sound engineers are way top. I record that. People to me 5,000 per track. Unless they're pedal
Sure.
Then also promotions. So it takes a lot though. But I mean, what I'll tell you in there, you have to learn and study the trade very well.
Okay.
Before you assume that okay, will be any day into so formula be able to make use.
Okay.
Obeka patapawa promotion. But I mean trigger one no call. So I mean you can also make it. Let's go to what current project area is CCR. And I'm the title then.
My promoting this year. Yeah, Obiara the cow. Obiara the cow.
But today,
I mean, the cow.
it's one cow.
First of all, me phone cow. Because this I'm here coming to match. And me phone or prompt him there. I have to. Me what's go I have to go and hustle.
Okay.
And then as I
all right. Obiara cow. Be moments Obiara cow. Our mazo cow. No bad damn cow.
Okay.
Obiara cow.
Until so we phone started already down cow.
Manzona cow. It is the human system needs food. Good. But on in cheddar manzona cow.
So let's assume in Niska. Oh, that's a phone.
But I don't owe my stomach.
You owe your stomach.
Anyway, what about a freestyle?
Yeah.
We'll be out so that I would say.
Okay. Jammy how? She Obia the cow. Obia the cow. She Obia the cow. Jammy how?
A rapper,
Obia the cow. Me a singer.
A singer. You don't rap.
Rap de ebia.
Rapper a patapani zibia.
Not really. As time goes on.
So, the way I say a singer, do you think that you stand a chance to be voted as the best vocalist of the year? Another who singing on yet. I mean that type now what can't check the year and the dead bin.
Yeah, I stand a chance of winning best vocalist because when I compare my type of singing, na meshe ona waji best vocal out of the year there. Makade I stand a chance. In fact, proper
patch the Kidi numi na wanze that channel.
I made the motuma kade.
That be sido. I mean, if you think there.
Kidi menzi adasin Kidi. Menzi adasin our friend then.
Can promise.
Can promise mpoze no. Menyina ashe baby. Mercas Eugene.
Menzi adache Kuami Eugene.
Far.
Hey. Na dama bad there about the ones there that Kuami Eugene. If you be a Kuami Eugene out today we are for 2 and 2 and say more.
Okay, which of his songs?
Then you be a win to be a
young comrade, Ebia Makeda the
Obia to her friend then Angela Walai Nina Kuami Eugene. Okay,
number say young comrade, yeba, number about tone proper. Yeah, proper.
Yeah, best vocalist of the year coming from Akesib.
Sure.
It will be a watch out. VGAB. Any nominations be there?
Yeah, currently Central Music and Business Awards.
Okay. New one be now happen. Every year.
Really no. Make category me second.
Category second woman. Awards is the Reno.
The reason why I'm winning that promo. Serious on this one until that was I'm concentrating.
Okay.
I'm concentrating.
It's one or really what I'm
fan fala Ziggy.
Why Ziggy?
One Ziggy. Nizin on no winnie.
Fire service guy banana.
Min shada nyman. Yeah.
Well, but do you think there is it proper there awards who vote on your proper?
Me to me on your proper.
On your proper.
If the people, the audience, sharp. The audience, you see what you can do out of my area. And now, say it deserve another. I'm voting the Obi Ohon deserve to the American best vocal. Now that come Obi Ohon there, like Karkidy Motumaye singing better than that person, but because we voting. That lot followers.
Okay.
So what's woman?
Makes sense though.
Yeah.
If feature Kuami Yogurt.
The same track.
Song.
Yeah.
Why? Is it that because Nyamiya na don't Kuami Eugene and hates Corintina? And they believe in him there. Kuami
yeah, first of all, I believe in him. Or starts he's one of them so urban home was yeah, so Akwenye na buy now bought a lot of artists wa boomer when we my brother here ofi mankesim here. Kuami na MP.
Kada Kuami na MP new young one.
Yeah, try. Even currently, cry good eye friend on.
Any foreigner can say.
Kuami nankasa.
Nankasa ne
so. Yeah, but you know photos be oba ne papa ne you know.
It's quite papa ne na still feature.
Oh yeah, you can't have some, but at the end of the day,
no sorry, you scan there banter.
Sika at least Sika on pay attention to us. Nabia on funny.
And if the ofi man can see do wanting a session on Casamo.
I can't really tell, but it's one of those things. It's not MP in Koten. Your ball Kofi Kinata now. On impose on a new management. Management was quoting like 20,000. Which
Kinata's money 20,000 as
the management.
Okay.
Which like a beginner like me. Yeah, me could share 20,000. I'm all in. I'm promoting you. More in. I'm the video.
Okay.
So these are some of the problems. For now.
I think I'm fanciful so.
Yeah.
Brother, sir.
Dr. Khan there. You know, be some similar question. The bad intina. My son, I'm fanciful no Makafa because many you agree or.
Okay.
And why did I do that? I'm saying I feel like when I'm mobile boomer over.
Yeah, I know you agree. You agree is a very good friend.
Yeah. And see, boom nanka say it doesn't matter there if you fancy. Yeah. Say boom nasa baka say why not?
But yeah, kaya kadebio be at the megwe ma working so no so hit no kodua. Bonde enwana wareban okedo feature wa wanye.
I have a different motive. In my music career, I have today I'm the reason why I'm here that I want to also help the young ones now because I see the like Infantaman Central. We have young artists who are very fantastic work. But why we could do baby obi be free baby or some or music in for some another or music in for fun. But at the end of the day, when you be so when I get there, my motive is not that.
So on the day journey the MP.
MPD, I'm not a politician. I don't even like politics. Yeah, because I believe that say
no I don't want you music on Phantom. I have one question. Say in the MP, a music president.
Right now, you were a Confi Arts Confederation Art.
Okay, most of my more creative.
Yeah,
okay, that's a good.
So move. So at least it's coming up.
That's a good move. That's a good move.
Okay, so with that motive to the American, we could also pick the young ones and help them. Nyami adumna say do.
Anyway, that's a good thought of you. Now, Zamaka in there, keep pushing. Now, when you know other platforms,
many know all social media handles.
Social media handles, then Twitter and Facebook.
Twitter, Boomplay,
okay.
Audio.
Those ones are digital platforms. They are not social media handles.
Yeah.
It's digital platforms. I want you more than info.
Today, Amazon, more, yeah, and then Spotify, and a lot of them.
Why is it that you are finding it difficult to either obia etwenedri nka wakedo oba tampone edru na benye bi wo oye abeku container benye bi wo na wanka se bebia wonyama wa return enyim off head
enyere menyim off head, but I just want to be sure that merba
you being sure is like you don't know it. Until many of them be or Spotify,
Spotify,
or TikTok, Amazon,
yeah,
or iTunes,
or Apple Music, yeah.
This kind of stuff,
yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, what would be your message to fans and when I was support to music?
Yeah, my message to my fans, they should keep on supporting. Yeah, because we need them.
You need them.
We really need their support. And also, our doors are also open. If you want, investors, investor, while you're ready there, also, Nakakrababa Bobua. From Fantaman here to Accra, Babia, Ubia, or Pedal Bobiano, our doors are open, wide. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys are doing well, and I encourage you to push more. I mean, one day I was
sure.
If you intend to give up, it's on the man start to cry.
No, we are not giving up now.
So you guys should push. I have a general high life and a hip hop and
me a hip life, me a high life, hip life, yeah.
Okay.
And bit of reggae dance, yeah.
So since you drop a single, what should we expect from you next?
Right now, many Puno Rare single. After this very one, so video na no we are expecting that as on so out very soon.
Now you only a single.
Me kakra as in
Shishina Benkuba.
Oh, there be. Yes, or you're natural. As if you are a baby, are natural.
You had it.
Kidi no real Jumano.
Kidi, that's why your brother. I mean, that's
natural.
Great. It's good when I hear new guys recording with great engineers. I'm very happy for them.
Sure.
Inti ya bobon pa ya mo one day. Bibi awe yebionye yi.
Amen.
Inti dame nyom na baba no ba wo EP ne do na.
Mpachonyo. You heard about EP no do.
Why not an album now? But EP.
First of all, you're planning for EP first before an album. Because what goes in album near too huge. For now, they financially, but EP they able to.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't really see difference beyond the mom.
Okay.
EP. Do you understand what an EP is? Full name for EP, Abaz.
Full name for EP.
EP. So I abbreviation.
Okay.
It's EP no full name, Abaz.
But the bomb kakra. EP.
Hey.
Break it down.
Everybody EP. And you mean Hey, Karkidy.
Yes, sir.
Abo like is for you. Ebe EP that like they do without the bed. It's about the bay.
Okay. Now, can album. Album is bringing all like your songs together. It's the same like EP as well.
EP,
but the EP the different
abbreviation of something.
Yeah.
Or E and P. It's
okay.
E in a chance, then a P in a chance, then.
That one I can't break it down, but
you have to break it down because a brand you are representing a fancy man.
Yeah.
In CNN, I'm dropping an EP, Karkidy.
Yeah.
Karkidy, what's the meaning of an EP? Into a bedding canal bro, you go with Fiat. Into the EP and chair by other Sarah. You quite be but EP.
Marty.
It's EP or bad. Yeah, tell the beer you are, Papa. Tell the beer you are. What is an EP?
EP. Okay, me chada young comra.
P, your physical education.
Okay.
P or your physical education.
Education.
It's EP or your body.
Young comra.
Papa. Listen, you baby alcohol. P. I was school or physical education, which means or abbreviation.
Abbreviation, yeah.
Now, EPIN on a year base.
Minyimba escape mkakranti na
mechada. Escape yabaka.
Okay, yabaka no. Okay.
Yeah, baby ako. Kabe yosiado.
Minyim na.
Yeah, tread baby so nobody just cash here tread baby. You will tread for this reason. It's EP the children.
Mr.
Karkidy, you EP that the medals also but release the EP. Hey, Karkidy.
You buy EP
anyway, Obia or you be on our social media. Social media about it. I want bet show EP that the bed.
Karkidy. K-A-R, yeah, on Facebook, Karkidy.
Inti, awe nyim EP, ni full meaning be ya pamucho. Ya brede, jitum de nyim EP na de ben na wamba wa machro.
Na merche de.
In other way, escape we nim na de ben.
No, sa kada me nyim na de ben like obiba, meba.
Okay,
meba.
Okay, inti jitum de o. Emi Karkidy, me nim EP na de ben.
No, sa kada me nyim EP na de ben na like minimum, but to explain to the way I have them explain it.
On the come to simply 2 words.
Okay.
P.
Okay.
Physical education.
Yeah.
Enwa.
Na EP no.
MMA. Infantima Municipal Assembly. Enwa. Inti P. Physical education on the EP about it.
I can't say education physical, no.
No, yeah, body.
EP in ma education physical.
But this is something you are about to release. You are working on, and you don't actually understand.
The whole issue is I really want to kind of explain it well.
And it's not about the explanation. No. You see, before you explain or you do something, you need to understand. Like Electricity Company of Ghana, ECG.
Yeah, ECG, yeah.
You understand. Yeah. The fact that you know the West, it makes you on top of your game.
Yeah.
Electricity Company of Ghana.
Yeah.
It takes, why explaining? Inti P, you know, another EP, no. A 2 me no EP no ye be a elephant poker. In the young okay, or your son BB day.
Okay. Yeah.
The sisi I would day sisi yet bear 1 hour.
1 hour.
Inti admit
okay, my admit. All right.
You don't know the EP.
Okay.
But in Kebo release the EP is my head.
That's right.
Hey, you can pray though. Hey. Anyway, EP the extended play. Extended play. It's I will encourage you. You are still growing in the music. You would have to learn and research about where TBB nima. Don't just say oh why you when you mean you're a drill.
Drill,
right?
yeah.
Yes. But I'm not sure that you've sat down to read about drill music, people that started and all those things.
Yeah.
Both outside nowadays. It is better that you read. There's nothing wrong in acquiring knowledge. Sure.
Sure.
So I would encourage you that in your arts or your business or your additional, learn every bit of the music business to be on top of your game. And to me, I try the Boko baby, what the question be special artist in the form. And so your home grounds.
Sure.
And see that starts over her. If you don't have Saturday was a chow.
Sure.
As I say, hey, it's Boko interview. So you need to learn more about the interviews and Nina makes you a better and a bigger artist. And I will encourage you to do more good songs. Nah, you're pushing fancy man to the next level.
Sure.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. Thank you for.
Phone number so about that one in case there, Ubi Pedro join our WhatsApp group. I share music with a person.
Okay. 0554 609427. 0554 609427.
All right. Now for social media handles on Facebook, Instagram.
Facebook. Karkidy, Karkidy, like Mama Kaina.
All right. Our YouTube channel, sir.
KMG, right? Yeah. Kark Music.
Okay. And subscribe to Kark Music.
And then music.
All right. So subscribe to Kark Music, so or your YouTube. Or your Range Media, and this is called Tight Corner. It's a corner tight one. Yes, an tight one. It's Karkidy.
Yes, sir.
Senior EP. Olivier is
Thanks for teaching a lot. Yeah, I've learned.
Bye bye.
Well.